Alright, it's me Tim, and I'm back again with another tutorial. This time I want to do a simple sound design tutorial on how you can make your own sounds literally from scratch. And this time around, again, I'm in Reason, but I wanted to show you guys something um, that will probably help you if you ever get stuck or you just want to try something new for experimentation. So what I'm doing for this video is I'm going to show you how to make a simple patch out the gate using noise. That's right. Pure noise. Nothing more, nothing less, just noise. So what I've done here, I'm using Subtractor from Reason. And I've done a few things. I have went to my oscillators and turned off key track. And you want to do that so that as you're playing the notes, you want to turn on the noise oscillator. You want to set your mix all the way to the left. And you want to turn that off. Now you have pure noise. You can set your color to however you want it. That's how you make your hi-hat. By the way, if you got a good noise oscillator or any plug-in with a good noise oscillator, or if you got a good sampler for that matter, you get some noise and you adjust the decay, and that's how you make your hi-hats and your, what they call it, your open hats. That's basically how you would do it with no drum kit. But I got my noise. I'm gonna adjust the color to taste. And I'm just recording this out. Right click, bounce in place. Take that, normalize it. Hit the play button. That is loud, but that's perfect. Now I'm going to take that, I'm going to bounce it to my disc, and sheesh, where is this at? Vocals, because I be forgetting where stuff is. Noise, put it where I want it. So that's the first part, getting yourself some noise. Now for the second part, I'm going to load up grain, and I'm going to reset the device, and now I'm going to look for my samples. I gotta go back. Vocals. And that is loud for no reason. I apologize on the discrepancies of the volume. I am going to figure this out and get that right. But in the meantime, I hope you find this useful. So now what I'm going to do is I need to edit my sample, or at least edit the length. And one thing about grain, there's a way to do it. Yep. Alright, there we go. Hit that button. I'm spacing out. Yep. So that's one way to do it. The other way is to simply move this part around. Now, one thing about grain is even when you reset device, it will automatically put the filter on your sample. You may not want that out the gate. I'm going to turn this down. This is loud. The other thing you want to do is, now you got the sample in the grain, you want to select spectral grains. And what this does is it kind of, in a nutshell, kind of puts the sample and it lets you modify it or adjust harmonic parameters. So I'm going to hold down this note. And that's the first thing I'm doing, harmonic snap. Now I got pitch. Now I can draw it. No wonder it's so loud. I got my keyboard on an octave. So now I've literally taken the noise and I found some tones. And adjusting this, I can go to the filter. Now that's very abrasive sounding, but that's okay. That's pretty much it. Now I got the tone, so now everything else after this is just a taste. But what I'll do is I'll show you how to make a simple pad. Turn up your release. Turn up your attack. Hope you guys can hear that. Turn the volume up. If you need a little extra sound, turn on the second oscillator. Pick your waveform. Use a triangle wave. We're going to keep it simple. Turn on some reverb. Put it on flanger, turn it on, set it to flanger because in this particular section you have chorus, flanger, and phaser. So put mine on flanger, turned on the reverb, I just adjusted it to taste. And what I'm going to do is I am going to adjust the filter. I'm going to set the LFO to the filter, LFO1, just because I like that sound opened up. So just that quick, I took noise and converted pure noise to a pad sound. So yeah, you can do a lot in sound design, and you know, I hope this was useful. I hope you learned something, and yeah, go ahead and make some outer space type beats, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.